yeah, I haven't really taken this thing out anywhere, so I'm going to hop on the freeway, going to head out westbound, and yeah, if everything works good, I will ride this silly thing to work tonight. So I just need to do a test run. So I have no idea what temperature it is. I'd say it's about 70 degrees, and yeah, everything's chokes off, everything's going pretty good. Mr. Ninja guy over there, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to shut it off because the wind will probably... Ninja man, what are you doing? Alright, good gravy. Alright. So anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, I was watching. So anyway, I'm going to shut this thing off because this windshield throws the wind right up in my helmet. And we'll see how it goes. I'm coming, Rob. I'm coming on over, Joe. Get the coffee going. Cubs. Woo-hoo! Nice. Spray in the fields. Go. Shalom. Shalom. All right, how we doing? Doing good. I know this windshield sucks. All right, so we're Salome Road. We're just going to take this. I think it's called the Eagle Eye Road, and yeah, we'll take this straight into Aguila. And I'm glad to be off the highway, but it wasn't that bad. I tell you what, the V-Strom 1050 and the 10 array sure spoil you for stuff like that. What's going on here? Oh, little dog walk. All right. So yeah, I've actually been on this road before. Last time I was out here was with the some wood in the road. Last time I was out here was actually on the yellow V-Strom 1050. So that's been quite a while, maybe a year since I've been this way. Yeah, this is cool. This is like the old desert roads when I grew up. Remember OW? So yeah, just desert and washes. Actually a pretty fun road. Dirt roads forever. Open range, cattle walking around like nobody's business. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good test of the old bike. I think she's up, she's not leaking, and yeah, she can run that all day, I bet you. So anyway, man, beautiful sky. Yeah, probably like 70 degrees, 75, something like that. Beautiful day, clear skies. KLR just burned along. Just turned 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I believe, on the East Coast. Yeah, this is a good road. Oh, how's that? Sounds good. This road is so badass. It's like going back to Arizona in 1940. Oh, very cool. This was under construction last time I was through. Yeah, this is all under construction last time I was through. Very nice job. Eagle Eye Road, heading for the coyote den because I am starving. Oh, there's a train sitting over there. Nice. This is US 60. This takes you to Salome, which we could have came up this way, or it takes you back to Wickenburg, which is the way we'll go home. Yeah, big old train sitting there. How are we doing on gas? 60 miles since we filled up. We're fine. Well, I guess it's safe to say this. I could ride this to work tonight if I made it out here. So I won't even have to put gas in it. But yeah, the big test run worked out pretty darn good. So I'm gonna get a breakfast burrito up here and head back home. Man, what a beautiful day. Just a beautiful day. Yeah, this bike is so comfortable. I can't even tell you. It's got the big wide seat and it's got room. My legs aren't behind me. And yeah, just nice. Ah, I see it up there. Coyote again. Yeah, I'll get something to eat and hit the road again. Get home by it's 1:38, so yeah, get home hopefully by 4. All right, so I come to a thundering stop. Yeah, this thing's just running spot on. Just sitting there idling like a new one, better than a new one. Look at that, huh? Got the halogen or the LED lights on it. God, this thing sounds good. All right, guys, we are here at the, that says Coyote Flats Bar and Calf, but then actually it says Coyote Den somewhere. Widget out.